test drive video of the 1965 Burgundy on Burgundy California Coupe. Drives good down the road. Doesn't pop out of gear, downshift's nice. All the gauges work, turn signals and the gauges work. Drive straight. Stop straight. Antenna works, radio works. Lower motor works on all 3 speeds. Wipers work on both speeds. Headlights roll up and down with no issues. This is a great 1965 California car. You will not find them as clean as this. It was original and not undercoated underneath. All white floorboards like they should be. Need any other pictures or have any other questions, give me a call anytime at 814-285-1779. Thank you and have a good day.